Hey everyone, so right now it's a construction zone at my client's house, but we just ordered this, which is amazing, and it arrived a couple days ago and I came to actually hang it. So what I love about these pieces is it's abstract art that goes with the custom couch that I ordered for her. I know purple's a little risky, however, she's young and single, no kids, so she can do whatever she wants, and she loves purple, and I was like, let's do it. Also, what I love about this is color changing pillows with down in it. Anyway, wanted to show this. I came and hung it tonight. This is what I'm doing on a Saturday night, and I'm doing what I love, which is interior design and get involved in projects. And this piece right here comes in 7 sections, as you can see. I actually hung it myself, and I only had to do it once, and it was about measuring and planning ahead of time. So as you notice, the wall has, it's kind of a sort of a white with a yellow, maybe kind of a little bit of a green. It's a really soft, like chartreuse, if you will. It's so subtle. It was a big risk to do that. I remember when it first went up, I go, oh my God. But it actually was a great decision, because in design, especially when you're dealing with vibrant colors, you want to have something that's willing to take a step back and allow everything else to shine. And I felt that the yellow was a good choice. And also, you know, she's young, and I didn't want it to be, there's not a lot of available light in here too. So it kind of gave the impression that that there was sunshine all day long. So I like that too. Anyway, love this, and if you guys are interested in purchasing this, I'll give you the particulars, order it for you. It comes actually with authentication papers, so it's pretty impressive. You know what I love about it too is we were dealing with a lot of paintings, putting paintings all through the house, and I was like, gosh, I really didn't want something that had the same value. I wanted something a little bit different, and boy oh boy, this was just came in the nick of time, and it's unusual and it's different. So anyway, peace out.